Hi, welcome to Read and Cook with WSPL. Miss Janet here. I'm going to share a story with you and then I hope it will inspire you to cook. Cook along with your child. So, this story today is called I Love Cake. Who loves cake? I do. It's written by Tammi Sauer, pictures by Angie Rozelaar, and it was published by Harper Collins. So we're going to read I Love Cake, and then there will be a recipe posted for you to potentially try, but I hope that you will cook with your child. So I Love Cake. In the middle of Sweet Valley Woods lived Rabbit, Porcupine, and Moose. He says, I'm Rabbit. I'm Porcupine. He says, I'm Frog. Oh, just kidding. I'm Moose. He doesn't look too much like a frog to me. They were best friends. He says, I'm good at being the boss. I'm good at having fun. I'm just Moose. And that's the way they liked it. They say that's the way we like it. One morning, Rabbit bounced out of bed extra early. Hooray, it's my birthday! She invited Porcupine and Moose to her party. Be at my house in 1 hour. Sounds fun. Oh, Moose is thinking cake. Oh, they're going to have cake. Yahoo! The three friends got ready. Rabbit grabbed her to-do list. I love throwing parties, says Rabbit. Porcupine struck up a party pose. I love playing games. And Moose squeezed into his favorite sweater. He says, I love boiled turnips. Ha, I do not. I love cake. Porcupine and Moose tried to make it to the party on time, but I can't find Rabbit's present anywhere. I can't get out the door. Here he is. Bonk, bonk. Oh dear. But finally they arrived at Rabbit's house. Happy birthday. This is for you. Come on, let's get started. They're ready to have fun. First, the three friends jumped on the trampoline. They're having so much fun. Whee! Next, they played pin the tail on the chipmunk. No peeking. Oh, this is fun. Moose is going, Then Rabbit and Porcupine heard a mysterious noise. Nom, nom, nom. Oh, what was that? But Rabbit didn't give it much thought. She had an important announcement to make. She says, it's time for cake. Hey, what happened to the cake? Oh no. And what happened to Moose? Rabbit and Porcupine looked everywhere for the missing cake and for missing Moose. Uh-oh. At last they made a big discovery. Moose, there you are. Hey, are those cake crumbs on your fur? Nope, I don't think so. Rabbit and Porcupine gave Moose the look. What, you think I ate the cake? That hurts. Maybe a badger ate the cake. Did you ever think of that? And then Moose goes, burp. I smell cake. He says, I smell a rat. Oh dear. Rabbit and Porcupine only wanted one thing, and it was gone. They're starting to cry. Sniffle, sniffle. All that sniffling made Moose sniffly too. Oh, why do you have to look so sweet and adorable? And I can't take it any longer. Maybe I had one bite of cake, but that is all. I only wanted to make sure it was okay. That's fine, right? Is it my fault my mouth's so big that the whole cake kind of fell right in? I'm really sorry. Can we all still be friends? Pretty please? I beg you. We can get matching sweaters. What do you say? Rabbit got hopping mad. You ruined my whole party. Porcupine got prickly. This is no fun. Moose got the message. Back at home, Moose thought of ways to make it up to his friends. Flowers? Poetry? A singing gorilla? But nothing seemed quite right. And then Moose noticed something on his fur. Aha! And he went right to work. Later that day, Moose returned to Rabbit's house. Surprise! Rabbit and Porcupine tried to ignore Moose, but Moose was just so Moose. Rabbit loved the surprise. I love cake. Porcupine loved the surprise. I love cake. Moose loved the surprise exactly as much as he loved cake. I love cake, but I love sharing it with friends even more. The end, and they ate it all up. Who loves cake? If you love cake, I hope that you're going to go and bake a cake together with your mom or your older sibling or your dad, whoever. But make a cake and say, I love cake. Have fun baking, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.